Good quality, portable, quick installation, smooth sounding are just some of the ways we can describe these portable AC systems by Rinnai. Hi, my name is Glenn, and here at Agile Equipment, we both hire and sell the 3.5 kilowatt and 4.1 kilowatt portable AC units. These can be a great solution to hot offices or unbearable summer nights in the bedroom, especially when you need a quick solution. These handy AC systems give you the freedom to deliver air conditioning wherever you wish to. Their multi-directional caster wheels make it a breeze to move from room to room and can fit easily in the boot of your car. In terms of operating capacity, the 3.5 kilowatt is perfect for small bedrooms and offices. The 4.1 kilowatt, on the other hand, has a bigger capacity, which suits larger bedrooms, offices, and small living spaces. If you're unsure, we can have a quick chat about which unit best suits your needs. To install these units is quite easy. Each unit comes with a ventilation kit. Simply attach the ventilation kit to the unit and connect it to an adjustable panel that can be placed under a semi-closed window. The heat from the machine's operation is vented outside, leaving the unit to work at peak efficiency to cool the surrounding area. Both units are a step above its competition because of its self-evaporative features. Other units may require emptying tanks or trays of condensated water and risk water damage if left unattended. These systems, on the other hand, use heated air generated by the unit to evaporate any condensation, venting the moisture outside. The remote and easy-to-understand interface makes it convenient to control your system. As most people know, Australian summer nights can get quite hot, and using the 3.5 kilowatt or 4.1 kilowatt systems is the perfect solution. Its sleeping mode is designed specifically to run while you sleep and compensates for the change in ambient temperature as the night cools down. This means comfortable sleep and savings on the energy bill. We know that not everyone can install an air conditioning unit, nor do you have to. Buy yourself the trouble and buy or hire yourself one of these Rinnai portable AC units. You can grab both systems from agileequipment.com.au or call us on 1300 092 647. If you're after hiring these units or hiring larger industrial units, check out our website airconditionerhire.com.au. Thanks for watching.